For Android users, we are here with best cool Android hacks and tricks you can do without rooting your phone. Using all the cool hacks, you can customize your Android device according to your wish and also able to do some very cool things with your Android device. Hello guys, my name is Fahad Zaman and today I am going to show you top 5 Android hacks without root. So before we get started, make sure to hit the bell icon to get the notification on all our future videos. Now you have done that, let's get started. Get MacBook Pro like touch bar on Android device. As larger and larger screens come into the market, one-handed operation becomes tougher as well. The ability to add a touch bar to attain the same functionality of Android's quick setting comes as a blessing for users with small hands and big screens. Plus, you get to experience the functionality of Mac's touch bar on your Android smartphone. Download the touch bar from XDA developers website. I have given the link in the description. You can follow that link. After downloading the app, you just install it. You need to enable unknown sources from settings. Once installed, just open it and grant few access permissions like overlay, storage and functions. After that, you need to enable write system settings. This will allow the touch bar app to change system settings like brightness, volumes, etc. In the final step, just enable do not disturb access. After that, scroll down and tap on activate touch bar to activate the touch bar. To access touch bar, just swipe a little from the bottom of the screen and you will see the touch bar on your screen. With touch bar, you can control Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, auto rotation, brightness and ring mode. The app also allows you to control your music with on-screen buttons. Additionally, touch bar include a Google search button and allows the user to search anything from Google search. The touch bar hides when you touch outside touch bar on the screen or normally with a time gap of 1 second. You can also use auto hide options which will allow touch bar to hide after given time. The default value is 1 second. You can enter your own custom seconds like 2 seconds, 5 seconds and etc. You can customize anything from the app. More updates will be coming soon in the app. Next off the list is photo hack for unsuccessful lock attempt. Crookcatcher is a great security app which can take photos using front cam whenever a person enters a wrong pattern or password. On your Android device, as soon as you unlock the phone to ask notifies you if anyone tried to unlock your phone without your permission. The app can also be configured to send you an email notification update along with the photo of the person and the location link. And if you think about it, the app can be very useful to track lost or stolen phone. So make sure you keep this app installed to safeguard your expensive phone. Turn your Android into computer. The easiest way to set up a smartphone desktop interface is to use the free Sentio app from the Google Play Store. You will need to download both the app Sentio Desktop and Sentio apps to make full use of the software. After installation, open the Sentio Desktop. You will be prompted to set app permissions and change startup settings. Enable all the permissions. Now you can enjoy a full functional computer. Click on the Start menu button and you can see all the installed apps. You can open and use any app. It also includes file manager, browser, image, video, audio player and more. It totally works same like computer. You can also connect the mouse and keyboard with OTG cable. If you want to use normal phone, simply click on the bottom right corner and there log out it. Create temporary email ID. If you want to use a service for a little while and it demands an email ID, but you are hesitant to give your personal or business email ID, you can simply create a temporary one. Install the app Temp Email, which let you create unlimited temporary email address with ease. You can select any email address, so you can use this email ID to sign in the service and even verify it. Any email sent to that address will show automatically on the app. You can read them, click on links and verify your account. Last one is edit web page. You can edit any website and prank with your friends. To edit the web page, click on the top right pen icon and change any word, numbers or anything you want. While of course there are changes you make are not going to save on website for everyone to see. What is good, it keeps the original formatting of the source. What you could do is edit a web page, edit a price, status, passing marks, total likes, and then it allows you to take a screenshot and share it with your friends. That's all for now. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tricks. Comment down below if you have any question, and I would love to see your feedback, and thank you so much for watching.